Students, today I will discuss new chapter of class 11th mathematics, chapter number 2, relation and function. In relation and function, first we will discuss ordered pair. Question is, what is ordered pair? Two numbers A and B listed in a specific order and enclosed in a parenthesis from an ordered pair AB. In the ordered pair AB, we call A as first member or first component and B as second member or second component. By interchanging the position of components, the ordered pair is changed. Thus, A comma B not equal to B comma A. For example, in coordinate geometry, the position of a point in a plane is determined by an ordered pairs in the given figure. The ordered pair 2, 3 and 3, 2 represent two different points A and B respectively. Point A is here 2, 3. 2 means 2 unit positive distance on x-axis and 3 means 3 unit positive distance on y-axis. Then position of point A is 2, 3 and position of point B is here 3, 2. 3, 2 means 3 unit positive distance on x-axis and 2 unit positive distance on y-axis. Then position of point A and B are different, then 2 comma 3 not equal to 3 comma 2. Equality of two ordered pairs. We have AB equal to CD. If these two ordered pairs are equal, AB is equal to CD is implies that first element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. Then which is sign of is implies that then first element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. Then A is equal to C and B equal to D. For example, find A and B when A minus 1 B plus 5 is equal to 2, 3. According to questions, if these two ordered pairs are equal, then first element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. Then A minus 1 comma B plus 5 is equal to 2, 3. Then A minus 1 is equal to 2 and B plus 5 is equal to 3. Then is implies that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 2. 5 को इधर लाएंगे तो B इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 हो जाएगा. हेंस A इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड B इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2. एग्जाम्पल 2, फाइंड A एंड B व्हेन 2A प्लस B कॉमा 11 इज इक्वल टू 1 कॉमा A माइनस 3B. यूजिंग द definition of equality of two ordered pairs, we have, if these two ordered pairs are equal, then first element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. Then 2A plus B is equal to 1 and 3A minus A minus 3B is equal to 11. Solving these two equations 1 and 2, we get A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 3. Example 3, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find the value of x and y. If these two ordered pairs are equal, then first element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. Then x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 then x by 3 is equal to transpose 1 to right hand side 5 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3. It implies that x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. 3 cancel to 3. It implies that x is equal to 2 and second element equal to second element. Then y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Transpose 2 by 3 to right hand side, then y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. LCM will be 3, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is its solution. Example number 4. Express xy such that x square plus y square is equal to 25 whether xy belongs to whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as shown. As a set of ordered pair, it is easy to verify that each of the following ordered pairs of whole numbers satisfy the given condition x square plus y square is equal to 25. If here we put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0, so 5 and its square plus 0 whole square, 5 square is equal to 25, 0 whole square is equal to 0. Then 5 0 satisfy the given condition. Put here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5, 5 to its whole square plus 0 is equal to 25. Put here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, 3 whole square plus 4 whole square is equal to 25. Put here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3, 4 whole square plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Hence the set of required ordered pair is 5, 0, 0, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3. Next point is Cartesian product of two sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product of A and B is the set denoted by A Cartesian product B, consisting all the ordered pair AB such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. A Cartesian product B is equal to A Cartesian product B will be a set. A Cartesian प्रोडक्ट B एक सेट होता है लेकिन उसके एलिमेंट आर्डर्ड पेयर्ड के फॉर्म में होते हैं. A कामा B इज इक्वल टू ए बी सच दैट A बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल A, B बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल B. ये सेट लिखने का सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म है लेकिन कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट के एलिमेंट आर्डर्ड पेयर्ड के फॉर्म में होते हैं. इफ़ A इज इक्वल टू 5 और B इज इक्वल टू 5 देन A कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट B इज इक्वल टू 5. क्योंकि 5 होने पर सेट के अंदर कोई एलिमेंट नहीं होगा तो A कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट B में भी यानी सेकेंड एलिमेंट कुछ होगा ही नहीं तो आर्डर्ड पेयर बनेगा ही नहीं, इसलिए A कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट B 5 होगा. अब सम इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आर गिवन हियर विच इज़ अ फार्मूला. इफ़ एन ए इज इक्वल टू पी यानी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट A इज इक्वल टू पी एंड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट B इज इक्वल टू क्यू, then number of elements in A Cartesian product B is equal to PQ. अगर A में P एलिमेंट्स हैं, सेट B में Q एलिमेंट्स हैं तो A Cartesian प्रोडक्ट B में P इंटू Q एलिमेंट्स होंगे एंड N B Cartesian प्रोडक्ट A इज इक्वल टू PQ और B Cartesian प्रोडक्ट A में भी PQ एलिमेंट ही होंगे. सेकेंड इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इज इफ़ at least one of A and B is infinite, then A Cartesian product B is infinite and B Cartesian product A is infinite. अगर सेट A में या सेट B में इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट होंगे तो A Cartesian प्रोडक्ट B या B Cartesian प्रोडक्ट A में भी इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट होंगे क्योंकि कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट लेने पर उसमें नंबर ऑफ आर्डर्ड पेयर्ड इंक्रीज होते चले जाएंगे. तो अगर A या B में से किसी एक में इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट हैं तो A कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट B और बी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ए में भी इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट ही होंगे। ओके।